Time expressions help describe when events happen in daily life. Common examples include in the morning, at night, on weekdays, and at the weekend. Each of these expressions connects an activity with a particular time of the day or part of the week. Understanding these phrases makes speaking about daily routines natural and clear. In this lesson, each expression will be used in simple sentences to build confidence and fluency. The phrase "in the morning" is used to talk about things that happen after waking up and before noon. It covers the time when the day starts, often before lunch. For example, you can say "I drink coffee in the morning" or "I go for a walk in the morning." Using "in the morning" helps you describe early day routines clearly and naturally. The phrase "at night" is used for activities that take place after sunset or before going to bed. It describes the dark hours of the day. Sentences like "I read a book at night" or "they watch movies at night" are common. This phrase helps you explain what happens during the quiet evening time before sleep. On weekdays refers to the regular working or school days from Monday to Friday. It is used to describe things that happen as part of a normal weekly schedule. For example, "I get up early on weekdays" or "we have classes on weekdays." When you use "on weekdays," it tells listeners that you are talking about activities happening during the usual work or study days. At the weekend means the time on Saturday and Sunday when people are usually free from work or school. It is used to talk about relaxing or fun activities. Sentences such as "I play tennis at the weekend" or "we relax at the weekend" are good examples. This phrase contrasts with "on weekdays" because it focuses on free time and leisure. Each expression covers a different part of time. "In the morning" describes what happens after you wake up and before noon. "At night" refers to the period after sunset. "On weekdays" focuses on regular working or school days. "At the weekend" talks about free time on Saturday and Sunday. Knowing when to use each phrase helps you describe your daily and weekly routines accurately and confidently. Many learners confuse prepositions when using time expressions. Remember, we say "in the morning," not "at morning." We say "at night," not "a night." We say "on weekdays," not "at weekdays." In British English, the correct form is "at the weekend," while in American English, it is "on the weekend." Paying attention to these small differences helps you sound more natural and fluent in conversation. Now it is time to practice using the correct expression. Think about each sentence and fill in the blank with the right phrase. For example, "I usually go jogging in the morning," or "she watches television at night." Use "on weekdays" for regular routines and "at the weekend" for special or relaxing activities. Practicing this way strengthens your speaking and understanding of these common time expressions.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.